Welcome to Ace Intl Media Ltd, where we power reliability, performance, and digital resilience for your business. We are incredibly excited to announce the completion of our full AWS Mirror integration. This marks a huge step forward in our mission to achieve total multi-cloud redundancy and guarantee absolutely zero downtime for our valued clients. So, how does it work? Our servers now operate simultaneously across both Google Cloud and Amazon Web Services, synchronized perfectly in real time. This means if one server ever encounters an issue, your traffic instantly and seamlessly transitions to the other. The result? Your services continue without any interruption, ever. As our managing director, Aahtish, puts it, our infrastructure now functions as a fully mirrored system, guaranteeing reliability, speed, and complete peace of mind. At Ace Intl Media Ltd, we are committed to advancing digital infrastructure through constant innovation, automation, and continuity. Ace Intl Media Ltd continues to set new standards in infrastructure resilience, hosting technology, and digital innovation. At Ace Intl Media Ltd, we are committed to advancing digital infrastructure through constant innovation, automation, and continuity. To learn more about how we can help your business thrive, visit us at www.aceintlmedia.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.